ya job okun I will say you talk or no. John Mahama, yo.
Ebusianfo aha GhanaNsem TV GH message like a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you'll be notified. Ebusianfo
ansa na no se wo abrochiri anase wo Ghana ha na wo ye program bi ete say engagement wedding anase funeral na ope obi a obeba betwa video no ede ama anase oba betwa pictures na me kire quality videos anase quality pictures a enfo wani enchirem e wo ba bia say cam hacks na ma no e na eda screen ni so no
ya job okun I will say you talk or no. John Mahama, yo. Revolution. Ampa MPP funa wa yamboe itu wonfa wonte.
In that case, and then when they look at it, some of them were freed or some of them were given lower sentences, and that's
the judges just did their job. Say sentencing no mo dia ma say me AFRC ni ma shembra me constitution say ansesa na kwasi asam kwa na yeso no obi okuku nimpo wi o say obi if someone has been arrested before any bakro no don't mean be president ba kwasi wudi ni we oku san krofo dodo we wie no odi president no trem mu asem sa de to wo mai in 10 minutes I'll be off, so listen.
Made them to be offended that, hey, we have made a law, why do you people go and do it? And that is why. And for the major was the one who was personnel. He was working at Jiho, where Amatekwe was working at Tema, Jiho. And he was picked up because when Amatekwe and the workers marched from Tema to Parliament House to 10 tables and they had their lunch, you remember that a board of inquiry was formed, and that major was sitting on the board, and he recommended that Amatekwe and some of them should be sacked. And so Amatekwe, they added him. So
because omuye muasem na ene ra for a demonstration omu tutu car keys na mu ye dede. Omu si monko kuno just because papa no can say yeah demonstration we should be fired. That's why they killed Amatekwe. That was enough reason. So
it was this AFRC convicts which were that was the main problem, and that's why they caught them. But in addition to that, other people too were going to be picked up. There were about 250.
So therefore na de bia ka omo asem no na civilians di padodo ni nyina na omo chichiom omo ye 250 ansa omo bo omo firing squad ma yehu ya ansa judges no 250 bi so wo ani de yenim Jesus me see ye beba be the full video by ene de mumentie na nakunedo ne part of wickedness in all that happened.
Flight Lieutenant Odoy was the security coordinator stationed at State House. I went to him, Ufanama, we talk about it. He said, no, this was not the meaning. They were going to be picked and then locked, not to be killed. But they asked to the kill, and I'm saying that it came from Rawlings and the wife, you see, particularly because he popped champagne. Do you pop champagne to celebrate? Or do you pop champagne when you are mourning somebody, the death of somebody? They come and tell you that they have despised them. You need to have killed them. Then you go and bring champagne, a passion, and start drinking. What does that signal? The wife was wearing white. You see? All this thing came to light. So that is how I can conclude it. That they were killed because Rawlings and his wife wanted to avenge why they have given a law and then it was tampered with.
The wife was also involved in the whole process.
Yes, the wife was involved. Yay! Wicked. Very wicked.
Why?
The bodyguard, 4th June, Rawlings like this boy, he's called Anto. Anto. He's a network guy. Rawlings knew him when basketball. That's how he liked it. And he took him to go and guide the wife. 31st, it was the same guy Rawlings choose. The wife made them to kill him.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe you know too much. You know the secrets too much. You see. Mens, it's called mens. Ask this question, what happened? That's why I say she's wicked. So, this Sawam Canary they are talking about, go investigate. How many houses do Achampon have? How many houses or cars did Akufo have? How many toilets did Afrifa have? Amedumi and all those people, they killed them for nothing. And today, as you go to a Gigano or Tefle or whatever it is, count the toilets. How many can Rawlings sit inside? And this was why he was telling us. Then we say, hey, you see? So that's why I said that no, he's not fit. Because he said all these things, and then today you come and the front was divided.
This is Nana Kunido Ajima Rawlings. Go ahead and tell all the lies. I'll be back again in the evening with more of her evil deeds. Namaste.
Abusiafo Nancy Asia baby. Me heard Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ni team. Na me heard other contestants na canon so obi a team wa uhu clear difference between enkrofoni enu nyina. Se wo heard Dr. Mahmoud Baumia team wa eye adwuma no a. Ade ba kwa de identify say nipa we oye supporter of Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ne say uhu say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia team ni nyina no omo ye adwuma mienu omo ye ne say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia team no fight NDC government in power. They are giving real opposition to government in power, and at the same time they are also fighting for the soul of Dr. Mahmoud Baumia to lead the New Patriotic Party. Nti adwuma mienu ena omo ye. But so here other contestants other aspirants a person a contestant other team as within MPP MPP for any opposition bill. As Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and a government in power here MPP for air fighting. By 3 weeks ago, my observe bibi. We your friend is saying Okunya Miracles Abuaji is on government. Mi hunsa se no call Galamsey sites ni adie my real opposition for so government say onfa alternative emra nense nkomo a starting for Galamsey hu ni adie nyina no Dennis Miracles Abuaji so your presentation be good evening Ghana energy or to so na say CSOs bi so mu ni ade Catholic Bishop Conference ni ade nyina ba mu wuyi sa ade no fi ho no mo a you don't see other enkrofo no person mo contesting any kind of pressure mo di gu aban owa akonwan so uhwe Dr. Mahmoud Baumia supporters ni nyina any the real ubeka say MPP for anka say omo ani abre for power no because any power say see any the ebe lead the New Patriotic Party wunye they can say obesi win elections no enunti say Ghana and now person odi MPP a leading now be Ghana nim as president pa when him say your focus is not just to lead your friend is saying New Patriotic Party and now the baby also to in whether you win or you lose no there's a bigger fight. Whoever wins to lead New Patriotic Party no who want to acquire the major one and only the ultimate because ulusu kra no nipa be winning no also ko support support how do come nipa no ne say wo boa mani pano etmi aon city NDC enti adwuma na wo say ye mienu but I was surprised say New Patriotic Party penny for taking decision say ye chichi and crop for dodo Enuntino ye ko demonstration. Then because obi support your friend is saying candidate for intino or say there be I don't support the cause no a new patriotic party. Yes a year ko demonstration on support it. Enti assignment na mede ma opa to obo na hwe nkrofo no a support other candidates ni nyina na opa ko mu Facebook page ko baby ya na hwe so for the past 5 months and since MPP a free power NDC buy no are they giving real opposition to NDC ana enti by the time wa wo betwen so wo be win power be wie next year by December and say January ending MPP for be kwa primaries be we our candidates be win a fee and I will start the opposition to NDC you know na NDC nya honeymoon for 1 full year and they are building any numbers but enkrofo any Ghana for name the ordinary Ghanaian no any democracy ankasa counts on you the opposition member say obema real opposition and your opposition say ni bone so but the alternative any governments and any discourse be a air cost woman mu bia no e was say utumi ma alternative say no yeah government you know and I say yeah political party you know and what the right idea and unti obi enka say men campaigning against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia but o focus ni no shouldn't be say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nko any focus any campaign tiano ana Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia elu no win. Is that the ultimate? Unless o person chair me say you just want to see Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia fall and no penny idea here because enima bebre koso idea ba ko a ema MPP lusu ye GhanaNsem. There were real promises our government edima ye about GhanaNsem with timelines. Government in about power. Akufo-Addo about power within the first 3 months and or start or they ban a true your friend is saying illegal mining and mining yina ansa na chire enkrofo ma pressure ansa na mo release se enkrofo nkoye and until 8-9 months His Excellency John Dramani Mahama di wo aban mu no it is enough to do more and until your opposition here you should demand it shouldn't be a Juma a year Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia supporters in Kwa de we MPP ni enti if there is any cause against MP a friend is saying the government in power to put the government in check you should be part of it. Adentina as I quiet to say I don't know my so observe BB another difference between Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia supporters and your friend is saying other supporters no. Hell, I know say there are nkrofo genuine MPP members are omuye good omo eboa politics ubenya obia from all sides but it looks like ye nkrofo bia omo titiu pa na MPP elusu elections nkrofo omo hu yawo nti nkrofo koto abama MPP etia MPP and it's also bempa number 1 Asante Achim North Obie nim say Andy what na konwa no so wache Andy hwan ye hi look at Asante Achim North when pa na dwen say Asante Achim North constituency MPP from Asante Achim North the heartbeat of MPP Bayredu Krom na wakwa Bayredu hwan na dwen say Bayredu Krom pa ye bekwa akoto aba na MPP alusi when na at the forefront a lady, your friend is saying, Andy, obviously, Andy, it is too much. Baby, I didn't know. Try na yenya candidate for new face. It was so clear. Unam baby, I was anti Achim Nofa. But when someone, your friend is saying, and there's also bempa. Only the and the appear could be. Now, enkugo baye na ulusu ya. I feel they want to blame Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia for that. Loss na a course or no affected party nina. I feel and the appear could be a move away from Dr. Mamudu Bawumia because party no one kasa ne nkrofo e wo asante achimno edwa Andy. Onwe Andy. Party na nkasa ne nkrofo e wo asante achimno edwa eneso so bempa. Eno nti onim se okọ your friend is saying baby a party no e wo a ene baby at the soul of the party no wa ye nyinu ntum eno nti no let's hide behind candidate for front as or win here then we get opportunity bio na yasen be ha party no bio Gabia Sarachiri Dako, one of my favorites enkrofo. I like the guy so much. Any own achievements, any personal achievements. But what that's all any papa and that's all any papa no. Names ye boboa. Omo ye he in MPP here Gabi Sarachiri. Ube bo Gabi Sarachiri Dako. I was surprised, about last week or so last 2 weeks. Dr. Mamudu Bawumia say Ghana for vote no amoto ye ne chese mubuafu MPP. De ye bia sorry Gabi buafu. Wonti ase say adan na Dr. Mamudu Bawumia apologize to Ghanaians. Tie de one na Gabi kasa. Me pe Gabi asem but I minim why. Enkrofo ase opa hwe I even saw a video enkrofo abi edi owura lanchematin echi. Eko ye ma party no ho kire ne sa na sankrofo ni nyina dia saying say ene e kan weni and e beba back. And it's not about party no, it is about omo. And now they are telling enkrofo say wo MPP ni no akoto abade ma Dr. Mamudu Bawumia mo lead the party no enya wa dwen na ade koto ye na obi ene shew kutu pama akoto abade ma Dr. Mamudu Bawumia enti no uhe omo kasa ni campaign nyina akwa ti say ase obi sha omo so but you the delegate you know say obi ansha you thought say Dr. Mamudu Bawumia the right person and akoto abama no but say no people are telling you say yaudie bi na o wakoma mu obi na bribe wo obi na share wo party ni nyina na take his decision no enkrofo a omo ho ehi I pay. I nso ano. Obia hu say I pay baby ade no kono. O ho ye too much more before from I pay say da. Ena akonwa na fi MPP nsakra. Sankrofo ni nyina I'm saying say there are genuine MPP members are almost supporting other candidates. But sankrofo ni nyina omo nyina because omo nim de omo aye ediatia party no. Ama party na ko opposition. Na say be no mo benya face omo kakra na aka no mbe boaboa no nti no. They want to side with the other candidates. Then Dr. Mamudu Bawumia yeti ayepe. Then Dr. Mamudu Bawumia yeti any of the candidates. Boni Ben and Boni Ben pa na Dr. Mamudu Bawumia himself o ye. Then o yeti a party no. And then enunti party no ko elections. Who opposition? Your focus and said Dr. Mamudu Bawumia should fall. Your focus is not say NDC. Obama NDC opposition. That is the difference between NDC, your friend is saying, other candidates and supporters. And the difference between Dr. Mamudu Bawumia supporters, because Dr. Mamudu Bawumia supporters said himself, if they win to lead MPP, there is a much serious task ahead of them. I was mutumi own city NDC from government. And unti ame jumana ye mienu. Edi amomo enunti sa also ye MPP ni mapa na wo support any other candidate emane Dr. Mamudu Bawumia enye ultimate focus and campaign for your candidate ba muma ye hu so say mo ye your friend is saying mo ma opposition enso mo ma real opposition to government in power because That is your ultimate job. Mamu nya say adwuma no nko a emfa ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia echitafo. Se mo se mo ya mo nya na ye hu se mo opposition na enye say mo ye bibi e de etia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia keke. Abusiafo, eren si ya di besi ha, ye da mo ase.